Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day. A little chilly, but we'll get through it. Today's video, big news for the kids. They've been looking forward to this for a while now. Chickens, I don't know. I've never seen chickens on them. We could try that when we get the goats though. We're gonna have goat trampoline time. Goat trampolines, jumping all over the place, hopping, looking cute. It'll be great. What are we doing?
First.
Trampoline?
Yeah.
Jump, jump?
Yeah.
Well, I was at Sam's Club yesterday. I saw that they had some trampolines. It's a Propel 14-foot trampoline, which is pretty important. We wanted a big one. We didn't want to have go for it and get like a 10-foot or something. We wanted to be able to jump and have fun on this thing. So went ahead with this. It was only $239, which right now isn't a bad price, especially when the kids are all cooped up in the house. This thing's pretty heavy. It says team lift on it. I called BS, but I think it's pretty true, team lift, or it's kind of awkward to move if you don't have two people. So our yard being so wet right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the trampoline up right here, and then later on it'll be way back in the grass after the drainage gets fixed, because they just can't trek through the mud to go on the trampoline. They'll get it all muddy, and I don't want to deal with that.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Apparently, you're not supposed to flip it like that. You're supposed to put it together in sections of two, and then put it together the right way up. But we figured we'd go the hard way, put it together upside down, and then flip it, because that's easier. She says it wasn't her idea. We are all done. It took just about an hour and a half. There's some things that were kind of confusing. Directions are not always the best. The basketball hoop on the back was definitely a pain in the butt, but hey, they like it. So let's get jumping. Bam! I'm coming in. Hat's coming off. Oh, my fat butt barely fit through. All right. Ready? Overall with this trampoline, I'm pretty happy so far. Considered the old one we used to have had like clips here, and now this curved pole, kind of just the net pulled out, which is nice instead of having another hook right here. Another thing to do, also hooking through the loops of this was more secure than the way my old one was like weaved in and out with a rope, so that's quite easy. One thing we're looking forward to is when we get our Nigerian dwarf goats, let them jump around on there. They are gonna have a blast. I'm sure the kids are not gonna be happy if the goat poops on the trampoline, but we'll see how it goes. If you would, please consider subscribing. We make new content every Friday. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.